Good morning, students. I hope that you are staying healthy, happy, and well, that you are balancing your time between the screen and getting some exercise, some fresh air, some family and friend time. And with balanced time, I want to show you something. I looked at my analytics for my last video for yesterday's day 2 home learning, and I'm noticing that not everybody is watching the entire videos. My average view duration is 2 minutes and 54 seconds, which is just about 2/3 of the video length. And so some of us are missing some important information because we're not watching the whole video. So I promise to keep the videos as best as I can under 3 minutes to keep your attention, but please do watch it all because I'm getting some questions that shows me you didn't get some information in these videos. So today's home learning is day 3. It's a math lesson today, and it's 48 hours after I posted day 1 math lesson, so I will be looking for completion of that. Today it is a discussion post and also your lesson. And you need to access those the discussion posts from time to time throughout the lesson. So don't forget to submit your lesson when you do finish with it. Remember that you can always ask a question in our chat groups or just message me directly if you need any help. Don't wait to get help. Okay, and don't forget that you need to make sure you submit, like Aspen's already submitted this lesson. And if you want to make changes, that you have to unsubmit it, and that's something that I actually need to do. So you need to get in touch with me if you need to make some changes after you've submitted. Okay, and so back to the assignment. Once you make your copy of today's slides, I think it's pretty straightforward. Your core problems are the do now for 12, 13, and 14, a closure, and a skills check. Your skills check is this practice on Khan Academy. So it has been assigned to you. So please make sure that you complete that during your math time today. And please take a look at the context for this lesson today is kind of a custom tile picture frame, which the number of tiles changes as the square that it needs to frame changes. And so your 412 question drives the whole lesson today, and you're thinking about how can you figure out the number of tiles, total tiles, in this frame without counting every single tile. Maybe you just need to count one side. And you're going to post your thinking, your method using words or expressions here on the message board. You're also going to respond to 2 of your peers, and if you're one of the first to complete this lesson, please make sure you read that note. You'll be using an e-tool today. It's pretty self-explanatory. I think you can use this example to help you out. And don't forget you've got the closure there at the end. And it's 3 minutes and 10 seconds, so I'm going to stop there. Good luck. Ask me questions if you need, and I'll be checking day 1 home learning lesson.